Hello and welcome to video number 4 here in the Farnsworth House tutorials. In this video we're just going to create some quick reference geometry. Alright, so I'm going to go back over here to my plan and I'm going to go to my layers and I'm going to go to layer number 1. Layer number 1 is going to be what I call my reference geometry. So I'll go ahead and spell that out. And I'm just going to find a few objects here that I know I'm going to need to copy from time to time. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with just a rectangle. And I'm going to snap to that point at 0, 0, 0. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag up to just about here. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm just going to go to this one here. And I'm going to slide it over and I'm going to stop right about there. Okay. And I think the next thing I might want to do is maybe I will just create, I'll just run the space bar again. Whoops. Looks like I'm in a couple different commands. I'm just going to run the this guy one more. Actually, I'm going to leave the stairs out of it. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take and I'll start creating new layers, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to, I'm going to change layer number 2 to blue, and I'll hit OK. And I'll call layer number 2 slabs, S-L-A-B-S. All right. And I'll make the slabs active, and I will select both of these guys. And I will go ahead and change the object layers. Okay, so now I've got 2 of these guys that are now slabs. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my perspective. And you'll notice that both of these guys are selected, or both of these are view. I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to move it down a little bit. So I'm going to go to my right view. And you'll notice that this particular piece of geometry right here is supposed to be roughly a little bit lower. So I'm just going to take this guy and I'm just going to drag it down just like so. Okay, just like that. And now you can see I actually have, looks like there could be another roof slab up there. All right, so I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to copy it up there. I'm going to copy it vertically. And there's a couple different ways I could do that. Number 1, I could type in copy, and I'll do it this way first, C-O-P-Y, enter, and then where it says copy, point to copy from, I could pick anywhere, but notice here where it says vertical equals no, I'm going to say vertical equals yes, and now it says point to copy from, click, and as I begin to drag it, I can only copy it and move it vertically. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring it right to there, all right? So click. And I'm going to hit escape. And now if I jump into my perspective, you'll notice I've got one slab way down here, another set of lines here, and another set of lines here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. And in the next one, we're going to start to turn these slabs into curves. Okay, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next lesson.